Hello and welcome. Seeing this video, you are probably one of those that has purchased a Ferox Train Your Own Bonsai kit. Seeing this video, you probably also has scanned the barcode at the back that has directed you to this video at the YouTube channel. Alright, let's get started. In a 1 liter Tupperware container, you have a beautiful sticker. It says Ferox Nursery Train Your Own Bonsai Kit with a beautiful acacia berkey bonsai inside a Ferox bulbosum pot. At the bottom here you can see what is inside the container. At the front you can see at the left, here is what is in the pot, and at the right the post-production, the bonsai in the pot afterwards. If you turn it around, like I said, there's a QR code. If you scan it, it directs you to the YouTube channel where you can find some various videos of how to train your own bonsai. Let's see what's inside. This has obviously been sealed. I just cut it open with a pair of scissors. You can also use a blade. Just be careful, don't cut yourself. Before I forget, the bonsai tree is included in the purchase. You can see at the bottom it says 8 centimeter bonsai tree. Now this is the tree that comes with the purchase. It's included. As soon as I take off the lid, there's some lovely stuff inside. We've got a little sieve, a roll of wire, bonsai wire, a beautiful bag of gravel, ziplocked, one hook, a bulbosum pot. It's a rectangle bonsai pot with a drain hole, and then a ziplock bag with bonsai soil. It's Ferox Nursery bonsai soil. That's what's inside the container. Let's start with the next video.